Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this delicious okpa. I finally got the secret of making okpa. The last one I make, in fact, I was disappointed of myself. I decided to post it like that, but come and look at the way you can do okpa and love it. If you have been eating okpa, the real okpa, let's get started. To make this, you need the hot water, but not the actual boiled one, but hot, very hot water. You need oil. Add oil, enough oil. The next ingredient you need is uziza. Then begin to add the okpa powder gradually. You see now it looks a bit lumpy. Now it's drawing. You want to keep turning it. Turn it. The more you turn this up, the more it gets better and the more tastier it becomes, and the more flavor it have, and the more that smell, that if you really ate up well, you know that smell. You get the smell out. Keep turning. Add more powder if you want. You know we don't measure in Africa. We just measure with our eyes. So if you're waiting for measurement, I don't have measurement. This is the way. I finally got the secret. You want this okpa to be drawing. You see how it's drawing? It will draw very, very well. I remember one woman, they call Mama Ekene. If you eat her okpa in my school, if people don't go to other people's place to buy okpa, only that woman. So I want to eat that kind of Mama Ekene okpa today. That Campus 3 okpa. Now I add the water. You want to be adding the water gradually, and you need enough oil. You don't need to manage oil. If you know you want to manage oil, please don't do okpa. If you are looking for it's too much, it's calorie, is this, is that, don't do okpa. You see, I'm adding the water gradually. Make sure it's drawing. You turning it, see, until it becomes very liquidy. Very, very liquidy. Then add pepper. This is optional. That's if you want pepper. Add salt. I added salt too. There is salt inside this liquid. You see how liquid it is? It's just almost like water. And you make sure the water that you are using to cook this okpa, that is boiled. I did not show it. Make sure the water is completely boiled. So when it's boiled, you have to shake that bag. I don't want to be using the plastic bags. I use this. And after 25 minutes, look at how it becomes. So I'm trying to demonstrate using this bag that I use, this plastic bag. It looks nice. This okpa was so delicious, guys. Guys, try this. If you know you like this my video, please just click that like button and subscribe.